Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today we will discuss about coding and decoding. So here there is a problem, and that is if GIF is coded as 5137 and BAT is coded as 924, how GATE is coded. Here are 5 options. So let's solve this problem. So as we already saw in the question that GIF is coded as 5137. So let's write it. And here BAT is coded as 924. So let's write that. And we should find how GATE is coded. So how GATE is coded. So whatever letters are there in the GATE are also there in GIF and BAT. So let's see. G. Here G is 5. So let's write it 5. A and 2. T is T and that is 4. And E, here E, that is 7. So we got the answer 5247. So that is B option. So we can see that option is B. So we got the answer of first question. And the second problem is if B equals to 2, H equals to 8 and CAB equals to 6, then what is the number value of RACE race? Here are 5 options. So let's solve the problem. First write all alphabets and their numbers. So write like this from A to Z. So here we can see B equals to 2. So B equals to 2 and H equals to 8. Here H equals to 8 and CAB equals to 6. So we have to find. So the C value is 3. CAB. C is 3. So write 3 here and A is 1 and 1 and B is 2 and 2. Now add all of these 3. So 3 plus 1 plus 2, that equals to 6. So here the CAB value is 6. So we got this. Now we should find the value of RACE. So here is R. So first write all of this. Race. And the value of R is 18. Value of A is 1. Value of C is 3. Value of E is 5. So now add all these. Now by adding all of these, you will get the value 27. So let's check whether it is there in the options or not. Yes, it is there in the option. So the answer is 27. So now we will move on to the third problem. So now let's go to the third question, and that is in a certain code 15789 is written as XTZAL and 2346 is written as NPSU. Then how is 23549 written in that code? Here are 4 options given. So now let's find the solution for that. So as we saw here, 15789 is written as XTZAL. First let's write that. 15789. So let's start in the fresh page. So 15789, this is written as XTZAL, and 2346 is written as NPSU. Then how to write 23549 in this code? So here we can see 2. So 2 is N. So write N, and 3 is P. So write P here, and 5 is here, and 5 is T. So write T here, and 4 is S, and 9 is L. So we got the answer as NPTSL. So let's check the answer whether it is there in this options or not. So NPTSL is there in the option. So it is the correct answer. Let's go to the fourth question. And the fourth question is, if sky is called sea, sea is called water, and water is called air, air is called cloud, cloud is called river, then what do we drink when thirsty? So generally what we will drink when we are thirsty? We will drink water. But here many of you will confuse like this. So we should read the question carefully. So sea is called water. So you should not keep the answer as sea, because water, they have asked water. So water is called air. So the answer is air. Many of you may do mistake like sea is called water. So sea is wrong. And water is called air. So air is correct. So let's go to the fifth question. And the fifth question is, in a certain language, remote is coded as ROTEME. Which word would be coded as PNIICC? So here remote is coded as, first let's write that. Remote is coded as ROTEME. So here first word is same, and here first word is same, but second word changes here, and that is, as we can see, if you observe keenly, you can find that in this to both the words, first and last letters are same, and middle 4 letters are changed. They are changed. So let's see. The fourth letter O is written as second letter. It is written as second letter in this, and here T is written as fifth letter, and E is written as the second letter. Here E is the second letter, and here as we see M is written as third letter. So by this we can find the word PNIICC. So PNIICC. So this can be written as first letter and middle 4 letters, and last letter is same. So this comes here. This C goes to third place. N comes to this place, and this I comes to this place. So the final word is picnic. So let's see whether it is there in the options. Yes, it is the first. So the option is correct. Thank you. And if you are seeing my video first time, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.